When you design family-style platters for pickup, you are not just arranging food, you are building a tiny edible traffic system. Everyone should know where the chicken goes, where the salad sits, and why the potatoes are not hiding underneath a mountain of sauce. Start with the people, because a platter for 6 hungry adults is not the same as a platter for 6 polite nibblers at a business lunch. Ask how many guests are coming, what foods they avoid, and whether someone will quietly eat half the bread before dinner begins. A simple portion guide keeps your kitchen from guessing with the confidence of a game show contestant. For a main dish, plan about 1 serving per guest plus a little extra, while sides usually need enough for everyone to take a scoop and return for another. That extra food matters because guests do not serve themselves with laboratory equipment. They use instincts, family traditions, and the ancient belief that the last piece of roasted chicken is obviously meant for them. Build each platter so the food can be served without a wrestling match. Keep sliced meats together, group vegetables by type, and leave enough open space for a serving utensil to land without launching green beans across the room. The sauce deserves special attention because it behaves like a celebrity with no interest in staying contained. Pack it in a separate cup when possible, or place it under sturdy food so the platter does not arrive looking like it survived a soup-related accident. Choose serving utensils that match the food and the guests. A large spoon works for rice, tongs work for roasted vegetables, and a broad fork or carving utensil helps guests move meat without poking it like they are testing a suspicious science project. Make every utensil easy to grab during pickup. If the tongs are buried under the platter, wrapped in 3 layers of tape, and labeled with handwriting that resembles a treasure map, someone will eventually serve pasta with a salad spoon. Transport changes how you plate food because the platter has to survive movement, temperature shifts, and 1 sharp turn near a parking garage. Use sturdy containers with secure lids and avoid stacking delicate foods where the bottom layer will become an accidental casserole. Keep hot and cold foods separate whenever you can. Warm chicken next to crisp salad may sound friendly, but the salad will quickly lose its crunch and begin wondering what it did to deserve this treatment. For food that travels, height is not always your friend. A low, balanced arrangement is safer than a dramatic tower that looks impressive for 12 seconds and then collapses when the driver brakes for a squirrel. Label each platter clearly with the dish name, major allergens, serving size, and any simple reheating notes. You are helping the host avoid the classic party mystery where everyone stares at a covered container and asks, "Is this dessert or something with onions?" Think about how the guest will serve the food at home, not how perfect it looks inside your kitchen. If the platter needs a special tool, a detailed diagram, and the patience of a museum curator, redesign it before pickup. A good family-style setup gives people choice without creating chaos. Put familiar favorites beside interesting options, offer sauces separately, and remember that one adventurous eater should not force the entire table into a surprise relationship with spicy mustard. Before sending anything out, test the package like a mildly suspicious customer. Lift it, move it gently, check that the lid stays closed, and make sure the utensils are included before the platter begins its journey from your kitchen to someone's hungry relatives. When you make pickup easy, serving becomes easy, and the host gets to enjoy the event instead of managing a food emergency with 1 butter knife. If you want to learn more about our company, check out our links in the description.